Get Financial Insights is an e-zine that gathers and gets information from all the beautiful minds in the industries of commerce around Zimbabwe, not only in Zimbabwe, but also in the region. So we're talking about SADC, we're also talking about Africa, and in the future, we're also talking about the whole world. It is a worth publication that is aired each and every month, and if you can get your hands on it, it's worth it. My name is TJ, and today I'm going to be talking about the power of content. And this was coming from a researcher that is called Mo Chinakizwa, and he loves his digital marketing. Let's talk about unleashing the power of content marketing. But before we go there, let's look at what's on the ground. It's very rare these days, it's not common. If you hear anybody that does not have a social media account, if he doesn't have a marketing media account, there has to be, and you should have one. In this era, you'll hear the staggering numbers of how many people are posting photos, of how many companies are posting videos, and how many people are trying to push content to the end user. And a company should have that. But anyway, are the people who are using the content or the people that are watching and receiving the content okay? We have to consider this, because in this era, many people have been bombarded, many people have been given a lot of content, and they passively look at it and they pass by. So as an organization, what should you do? Because you want to use the power of content to attract and to know how to get into your niche. What should you do? In this situation, this is what I'm going to talk about in this brief video: how to use the power of content so that you can grab and you can have your niche on your table and your cup overflows because you know the power of content. So you may wonder, what is content marketing? Most of the marketing that we have seen, or most of the content that is out there, is sort of like pushing the user to make a purchase. But in this situation, content marketing is marketing that is targeted towards a specific kind of audience, but without the intention of making them to buy something. So what does this entail? This entails that what you're going to post, is it a video, is it a picture, is it a meme, or whatever it is about your organization, it is about giving value to the customer. And if you give value to the customer without making them want to buy something from you, that's better than actually just pushing them to buy from you. Upon realizing the value that you've given to them, it will drive them, is it to your website? It will drive them organically to your site so that they can just see what you offer. By the moment they stay more, by the moment you have more clicks on your website, at least we are now anticipating that you've got somebody who can become loyal to you because they know your value. In that situation, you have created cheap but loyal traffic to your website, and if it becomes loyal, at least they're going to tell somebody, and it's going to become a snowball. If it becomes a snowball, then what follows? Then we can start to expect sales as the marketing department in any way. But the best thing that we're supposed to give to our audience is not just a drive for them to buy something, but it is value, to show what we stand for, to show who we are, to what we offer to the audiences, and that's important. This is the essence of content marketing. Let me give you a very simple example as far as content marketing is concerned. Let's say that you sell cars. So what are you going to give? What is the value that you're going to give to your audiences, or what is the value that you're going to give to your target market? You're not always going to push up the car and say, yeah, the car is there, the car is costing $10,000 and you gotta buy the car. No, they're getting those from WhatsApp, they're getting those from Facebook, they're getting there everywhere. So at least on your website, what you can start with value as far as an automobile is concerned. Firstly, you can start a blog that says, what kind of car can you choose? Is it an SUV? Is it a wagon? Or is it a sedan? You can later on go on and work on each and every car and give enough information. For example, you can talk about service plans, and people have the knowledge of service plans from you. That is value. You can compare fuel efficiencies of the cars that are there in the market, and people would know how to keep $1 in their pocket because of what you have given them. Or you can also talk about insurance plans. Which kind of insurance is the best for a car? You can also give other ancillary activities that can help and that can give value to your person with a car. The moment the people know that you have this knowledge, they take you as an authority and promise you by any time that they want to buy a car, they are simply going to come to where the authority is, and that is you. This is the power of content marketing. But sometimes you do not know what to write as far as content marketing. What should you write? So the questions or what to write is quite easy. Research and development is one of the most important things that an organization can do. So one thing that you can do if you want to embrace the power of content marketing is to know what are the questions the customers are asking as far as the product that you're selling is concerned. So is it about the product? Is it about the durability? Is it about the services, after sale services? Anything that supports the product that you're working on. If you're able to do that, then you can choose one of these topics and research and write on it. To make sure that you really get the traffic that you need, you can use Google Analytics, because on Google Analytics, at least you can find a lot of data of what is trending. Google Trends, Pixel and Facebook, there are quite many tools that you can use to see what is trending. Reddit is there. There are so many, but I cannot mention all of them. The moment that you know what kind of keywords you can put in your blogs and in your articles, at least you know that traffic is going to flow to your website. And if you have done this and you have done a great job, if you have done your homework, then you can embrace the power of content marketing. In this situation, we say now you have to post frequently. As much as you want to post once a week or as you want to post once a month, there are so other people that are posting 3 times, 4 times in 1 week. There will be more competition and they'll be ranked higher than you. So for you, you're going to work on your search engine optimization to make sure that at least you can be ranked a little bit higher. Well, this is the power of content marketing. Give your customers value. They will make you an authority. The next thing, you have created an audience, you've created a clientele that is loyal and that knows your value. And a loyal customer is what we're always hunting for. My name is TJ, and this is Financial Motivation.